Now, we need to get some headphones. This way. Now, these headphones are for you and these are for me. Oh!
Open the door!
Something's blocking it.
And now, here's one of my favorite songs by Sylvia and friends called The Morning Song. Enjoy!
Good morning, friends. It's a brand new day.
It's nice to pretend I'm on the radio.
And stretch up high.
Do you hear that? Oh my goodness. Joe's on the radio.
Oh.
Hands up, hands down. Stomp your feet. Now turn around. Hands up.
Joe! Open the door!
I'm on the radio. Oh.
Yes. Okay, hurry.
I was on the radio and we were live was I good on the radio?
You were fantastic. Our musical guest is about to arrive.
Music!
Yes.